Sounds came from a bright orange planet, but no sign of life. We went down to the bright orange planet. Scramble stayed behind. Flute-like notes and great plumes of water shooting from the holes. The brilliant notes they played made entrancing the dancing fountain show. Pitter patter, icy water falling down upon us till it froze us solid. Back on Shelly, Scramble was bored and twiddling his thumbs. Feeling kinda hungry and lonely, he went to find his chums. He found them on the bright orange planet, frozen solid blocks. Cautiously he heated the water from his eggmobile, chuckling while he thaws out his friends, and we're all laughing still.